Welcome to Math Explained, where we explain math. In this video, we're going to be unpacking different ways to create factor trees of prime numbers, to create product of prime factors. If you need a refresher on prime numbers or prime factors, feel free to check out the previous video first. Let's try to create a factor tree using the number 200. Start by writing the number at the top of your page. Now we're going to try to find two numbers that multiply to get 200. That's not 1 times 200. I'm going to use 2 and 100. Write each factor on a separate line coming down from 200. Our goal is to break down these factors until I get to prime numbers. Is 2 a prime number? Yes. We're going to leave the factor 2 alone because it's prime. Is 100 prime? No. Let's find two factors to get to 100 now. 2 times 50 equals 100. So I'm going to break 100 down in 2 and 50. Is 2 prime? Yes. So we're not going to go farther with this 2. Is 50 prime? No. 50 can be broken down farther into 5 and 10. Now let's take a look at 5 and 10. 5 is prime, so it cannot be broken down further, but 10 is still composite. 10 can be broken down further yet into 2 and 5, both prime numbers now. We have no more composite factors anymore to break apart. So we have all the prime factors we need. Let's go back up the tree and circle all of our prime factors. 5, 5, 2, 2, and 2. The number 200 can be rewritten as these prime factors multiplied together. The product of prime factors for the number 200 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. The interesting thing is that no matter how we break down a composite number, we will always end up with the same product of prime factors. Another way we can break 200 down is 20 times 10. Both numbers are composite, so 20 can be broken farther into 5 times 4, with 4 being able to be broken down further into 2 times 2. Now let's go back to our 10 from before, which can be broken down into 2 times 5. Our product of prime factors are 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5, the same as before. A different way to break down a number into its product of prime factors uses continuous division to break the number down smaller and smaller until we get to 1. To set this up, we make two columns. On the right column, we put our number, and on the left column, we're going to write our prime factors. We use our prime numbers only, starting at 2, to see if we can divide the number evenly by that number. Because we can divide 200 by 2, we write the 2 on the left column, and our answer of 200 divided by 2 under the 200. Now we test our new number, 100, to find the smallest prime number that can go into it. 2 can also divide into 100. What prime number can now divide into 50? 2 can go into 50 also. Can 2 go into 25? No. Well, let's check our next prime number. Can 3 go into 25? Nope. Can 5 go into 25? Yes. Our last number is 5. Can 2 go into 5? No. Can 3? No. Can 5? Yes. Now I have the number all the way down to 1, which was my goal. The numbers on the left column are my prime factors. and can be multiplied together to give me my product of prime factors. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5 is the product of prime factors for the number 200. Hopefully this video helps as you learn more about product of prime factors and factor trees. For more Math Explained videos, subscribe and check out the rest of our explanations. And as always, have a great day.